What we're doing, a little bee is collecting a little flower with some pollen. Oh, this is a big lump.
I've got my sister. He's not mine.
I'm her brother, and then Caleb. No. Okay, right. What we're doing, a little bee is collecting a little flower with some pollen. All the stuff about it. So, about that, did you know the sunflower seeds will come? Hi, my name's Caleb, and I'm 5 years old from England. Is it a nice day today? Because look, it's quite sunny, but it's going to be tea time soon. So, there's a big bee, I don't know how much. We haven't seen it, but there's another bee. Look, there's one there. I bet her is the queen because that's the queen, I think. That's the queen bee because it's so big. How big is it? Massive, but not massive than this big lovely sunflower. So and I had a shower and then I come outside. Okay, I went, got dressed, come outside and dry my hair. All we doing is playing with these cars, and I'm digging.
And that one, he's not big one. He's a big one.
Why not? I want to dig. Oh, this is a big lump. Nice.
Oi, oi.
Oh,
Wait, we're not that. I don't want to run outside. Okay. What are you building? I'm going in. Pollen! Pollen! Hey! Where you going? Where you going? Oh. I love my sister. He's my took. She's my took. I've got my sister. He's not mine.
I'm her brother, and then Caleb. No, that one's name's Navy.
That's Scumber. I just took it.
Guess what? She used to be 1, I used to be 4, now she's 2, now I'm 5. And look what we got. A big sunflower. I'm playing with my diggers. I'm really nice and playing with them. Big lumps of the dumps. And then I dump it out.
So fun. Dump it.
And that little one, she's quite cheeky sometimes. And then the rest of the week now, I'm enjoying something. Be a second. Look what I drawed, all those. And you know this book? It's Hot Wheels. And all the stuff inside is drawing. I drew that last night. And then I drew last night. I drew that today. I drew one of those last night. No, those. And I drew the normal pipes, and then that one. Pipes at the top. Cool as that. And then I drew some more last night. Some of these stuff. So we'll just go all past this stuff. You see, all this,
I can't.
all that is the afro thing and stuff.
Yes.
That's
It's
a small
Todd.
teeny weeny
It's Todd's.
big small wheel and a
It's
big
Todd's.
wheel, and it's a hot one. And this is a bus, and that's a future car, whatever its name's this. But that's a plane. And this is that's a limousine, a bus, and a big hot rod, truck, and it's got truck there,
It's me.
and a side of that, and that, and then this, that, and I've been doing loads more stuff like trucks. These are just letters, and that's it. Goodbye, bye.